Welcome to Tech Tip Daily. Today I'll be showing you some tips on how to disable location tracking on your Windows 11 computer. To begin, simply go to the search bar below and type in Settings. Click Settings. From there you're going to want to go to Privacy and Security on the bottom left. And from there you're going to want to scroll down and find App Permissions, Location. You'll click Location. And from there you can immediately disable location service in the services in its entirety by toggling the on or off button. If, on the other hand, you wanted to disable location services for a specific app, you can scroll down and see which apps are allowing access to your location. In this case, it's on. However, camera, mail and calendar, news, weather, none of them are actually tracking me right now. Mind you, I can press on and allow them to track me, or you can toggle it off and completely disable it for specific apps, as opposed to just generally across the board on your computer in terms of your location tracking. Now, if you wanted to also just generally disable location tracking, what you can do is go to the bottom right, click a little icon here, and simply click Airplane Mode. However, when you click Airplane Mode, it will also be shutting off your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth. So keep that in mind that you'd be losing other services if you toggle Airplane Mode on. Finally, the last tip that I can give you on how to disable location services on your Windows 11 computer is to simply do it in your browser. So if you're doing it from, let's say, Google Chrome, you would go into the top right, click the three dots up here. You'd want to go to Settings. And from Settings, you'd want to find Privacy and Security. From Privacy and Security, you'd want to scroll down to Site Settings. And then you'd find Permissions, Location. You'd want to click Location. And from there, you can toggle whether or not you want sites to track your location. This is specific to the browser you're using. So if you're using Google Chrome, this would be specific to Google Chrome, not across the board on the computer and all its apps. So simply, you would go and click Don't Allow Sites to See Your Location. That would completely block location tracking while using Google Chrome. However, like I said earlier, if you want it to be on your computer generally, you'd want to do that from the app setting that I showed you earlier. Hopefully that helped you guys out. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.